Dr. Warren. As we're coming to the close of this year, Dr. Paul and I were talking about various topics we want to go over in the next year and looking at things we've talked about. And one thing that we haven't highlighted as much as we'd like to is micronutrients and what an important factor that we think that they play for our patients and in our clinic and how vital some of these things really are. And so we're hoping in the future to be highlighting more of these. And today I want to talk about alpha-lipoic acid. And I want to talk about this specifically because it's been so useful for me in the clinic this year. And I was looking back on the different things that we've used and what we've got positive feedback on. And this is a nutrient I've known about for a long time, but it's been incredibly useful in the clinic. And so I thought I'd want to share and highlight a little bit about this nutrient that does so many things for so many people. Now, I have particularly done this for neuropathy, much more nerve healing, nerve regenerating properties in the nutrient alpha-lipoic acid in our product called ALA Pure than I had previously realized. I think this is a nutrient we'd heard about because it's part of many detoxification protocols, has a sulfur group, so it's kind of in the glutathione, NAC, ALA pathway, but I really feel like NAC and glutathione get a little more press than this one. ALA is extremely good for blood sugar, so if we're dealing with diabetes or pre-diabetes or any kind of blood sugar management, this is often a really great choice. But it's been something that I've seen in so many of my patients, I think because we deal with so many neurological issues. So we run micronutrient tests and we see multiple things depleted, and what's interesting is alpha-lipoic acid helps recycle vitamin C, vitamin E, and CoQ10, other nutrients and other antioxidants. And so sometimes when we see a big micronutrient problem with many different antioxidants, I can use alpha-lipoic acid to kind of regenerate multiple nutrients rather than superdose every single one. We go, okay, if the whole family's gone, well, there's certain nutrients that kind of regenerate certain parts of it. So you can actually use alpha-lipoic acid not only to regenerate itself, but also to help vitamin C be more efficient, vitamin E be more efficient, and CoQ10 be more efficient. So many of my Lyme patients have nerve symptoms. So we have neuropathies, we have burning, tingling, pain, ear ringing, any kind of neuropathy symptom. Alpha-lipoic acid is something I think about very strongly and something I want to see some nutrient testing on because it is so good for nerves. That has been the big increase in the last year, using it with more and more patients who have neuropathies and finding benefit. I want to stress it is still good for your liver. It is still good for blood sugar, which is how we have been using it, but more and more this is becoming a nutrient that I have been using when I have more neurological antioxidant problems and been having some positive feedback in the last year. Now, I normally do this at 1 to 2 capsules twice a day. If you're struggling with either blood sugar issues, struggling with any kind of liver detoxification protocol, struggling with nerve problems of any sort, then alpha-lipoic acid may be a terrific supplement to add to nourish your liver, help your nerves, regenerate antioxidants, and just be healthier. I'm Dr. Warren. I hope you found this information helpful.